Make versus do, English Hindi with
बनाना,
and.
करना.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, this podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your bite-sized path to confident speaking. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice tools. Today we'll nail make versus do in English Hindi. Make equals
बनाना,
do equals.
करना.
Expect quick wins, silly jokes, and real lifelines you can use right away. Your goal today. You'll speak the present tense forms clearly and confidently, yes, out loud. Say, you do.
तुम करते हो.
Say, he does.
वो करता है.
Say, she does.
वो करती है.
Say, it makes.
ये बनाता है.
Say, we do.
हम करते हैं.
Say, you all do.
तुम लोग करते हो.
Say, they make.
वे बनाते हैं.
Base verb equals.
बनाना,
Closing parenthesis dot. Make versus do, fast forms. Repeat after me, short, sharp, and smiley. I do my homework equals I.
करना.
But in sentence form, I do. Mame karata, karate hum, you'll hear it soon, focus on the base.
करना.
Let's make a plan equals let's.
बनाना.
A plan. You do great work equals.
तुम करते हो.
Barhiya kama. He does it equals.
वो करता है.
She does it equals.
वो करती है.
It makes a difference equals.
ये बनाता है.
Bara farka. We do our part equals.
हम करते हैं.
Apana hissa. You all do the dishes, all dry equals.
तुम लोग करते हो.
Bartana, mame sukaamga, sukamgi. They make wooden toys equals.
वे बनाते हैं.
Lakari ke kilan. Base verb reminder.
बनाना.
Mini dialogue. The cake plan. Listen first, then echo the bold moves. A. Big news, game night. But first, you all do the checklist.
तुम लोग करते हो.
Ye comma, okay? B. Deal. He does the shopping.
वो करता है.
And she does the music.
वो करती है.
A. Perfect. The mixer? It makes the batter fast.
ये बनाता है.
Jatapata gola. B. And we do the frosting.
हम करते हैं.
While you do the candles.
तुम करते हो.
A. Final step. They make decorations.
वे बनाते हैं.
Because obviously, we love to.
बनाना.
Cake. Drills. Say it fast. You speak, I cheer. Ready? Prompt. You do. Say.
तुम करते हो.
Prompt. He does. Say.
वो करता है.
Prompt. She does. Say.
वो करती है.
Prompt. It makes. Say.
ये बनाता है.
Prompt. We do. Say.
हम करते हैं.
Prompt. You all do. Say.
तुम लोग करते हो.
Prompt. They make. Say.
वे बनाते हैं.
Base verb.
बनाना.
Culture and humor. Quick tip and a giggle to lock it in. Common daily line you'll hear, kaya banao, equals make tea. That's the verb.
बनाना.
In action. And the joke, don't confuse banana, the fruit, with
बनाना.
to make. If you shout, I will.
बनाना.
The banana might think you called it. Pop quiz. Answer out loud, no whispering to your plant. Q1. How do you say, do, base verb, in Hindi? A.
करना.
Q2. Translate, you do, A.
तुम करते हो.
Q3. It makes a difference, start with.
ये बनाता है.
Bara farka. Q4. We do our part.
हम करते हैं.
Apana hissa. Q5. They make wooden toys.
वे बनाते हैं.
Lakari ke kilan. Base.
बनाना.
Challenge and wrap up. Your turn to shine, then we celebrate. Challenge. Build 3 lines you'll use today. 1. Start with you do.
तुम करते हो.
+1 chore. 2. Add she does.
वो करती है.
Plus a task. 3. End with it makes.
ये बनाता है.
Plus a result. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing make.
बनाना.
And do.
करना.
You do.
तुम करते हो.
He does.
वो करता है.
She does.
वो करती है.
It makes.
ये बनाता है.
We do.
हम करते हैं.
You all do.
तुम लोग करते हो.
And they make.
वे बनाते हैं.
Closing parenthesis dot. For more lessons and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.